Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the essentials. Pick 5 to 8 core apps you use daily, because fewer icons reduce decision fatigue. Once chosen, remove duplicates and uninstall or disable apps you never open. This frees space and speed search. Next, set a simple, high-contrast wallpaper so icons remain legible. Make sure to use one clean page as your primary home. This gives you a clear starting point and prevents scattered shortcuts across many screens. Once done with basics, create folders to group related apps. Label them clearly, for example work, social media, because folders reduce scrolling and speed access. Then add 1 or 2 useful widgets. A calendar and a weather widget are practical, but avoid cluttering with too many widgets that slow the interface. Use a consistent grid layout, such as 4x5, to align icons and maintain visual balance. This makes swiping predictable and quick to use. You finish by refining. Move the most used apps into easy thumb reach and place secondary items on a second page. Then back up your layout via launcher settings or a cloud backup so you can restore if you switch phones. If something goes wrong, like missing icons or widgets, first clear the launcher cache and restart. If that fails, reinstall or update the launcher. Finally, make small tweaks over a week. A stable routine reveals the best long-term layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.